Welcome all of you. Biology part 2nd. Chapter name Animal Tissue. 4 types of animal tissue: epithelial, connective, muscular and nervous tissue. 2 types of epithelial tissue: simple and compound epithelial tissue. The whole part of this topic and subtopic we are completed. Second type of tissue, connective tissue. 3 types of connective tissue: connective tissue proper, supporting connective tissue, fluid connective tissue. Connective tissue proper: 2 types, loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, and their subtopics are completed. Second topic of connective tissue is a supporting connective tissue, cartilage and bone. 4 types of cartilage: hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, fibrocartilage and calcified cartilage. First part of cartilage, hyaline cartilage, are also called as a glossy cartilage. Glass-like skin, hence denoted as hyaline cartilage. It is found at the end of long bones, epiglottis, trachea, thoracic ribs, larynx and hyoid apparatus are the location of hyaline cartilage. In between two long bones, epiglottis is a meeting points of larynx and pharynx. The trachea, then ribs, larynx and hyoid are the location of hyaline cartilage. The perichondrium is the outermost layer present. In a bunch of perichondrium, immature chondroblasts are present. After the formation of or fully development of chondroblast, it converted into chondrocytes are cartilage or bone forming cells. Perichondrium is present outer side. Then matrix is bluish color and gel like. Very fine collagen fibers and chondrocytes are present. Elastic and compressible in nature, this cartilage. Fully mature chondroblast is called as a chondrocytes. Chondrocytes are bone forming or cartilage forming cell. The all structure of hyaline cartilage, the all component of this tissue is secreted by chondrocytes. Inside the chondrocytes there are 2 or 4, 6 up to 8 lacuna are seen in sum of 2 to 8 in number. Function of hyaline cartilage: it acts a good shock absorber as well as provide flexibility. Due to the various daily movement and jumping and many kinds movement, these cartilage perform a role of as a like shock absorber, as a like shock of body parts. These are foam like present in between two bones to absorb a shock. It reduces friction and provide flexibility. These are present between two large bones. The role of shock absorber: because these are smooth in nature, these are smooth and this reduces the friction as well as various shock of as a like walking, jumping and another various movement of our daily activity. These are location, structure and function of hyaline cartilage. The next type of cartilage is elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage, in the name elastic means this cartilage is elastic in nature, provide mostly elasticity in this tissue due to the help of yellow fiber. Location of elastic cartilage is it is found in earlobe, tip of nose. Our earlobe are very flexible and elastic in nature. Tip of nose is made up of elastic cartilage. These are location of elastic cartilage structure. The outer covering is formed by perichondrium and inner cartilage is fully filled with matrix and elastic fiber large in number. Because it provides elasticity of this tissue, it secretes elastin. Then matrix or large quantity is present in this tissue. Chondrocyte means bone forming cell or also called as a cartilage forming cell. These all structure responsible for forming of part made up of chondrocyte cell, hence called as a cartilage forming cell or bone forming cell. In the chondrocytes also lacuna are present, but the quantity of chondrocytes are less in number in elastic cartilage. There is absence of yellow fiber or lots of yellow fiber because the to provide elasticity of tissue, but absent of white fiber. So why elastic cartilage present in our body? What is the function of elastic cartilage? Function, it give support, maintains shape of the body parts. It maintains shape of the body parts and to give a support are the function of elastic cartilage. Then third type of cartilage, fibrocartilage or also called as a fibrous cartilage. Location, it is found in intervertebral disc made up of a fibrocartilage. It also found as pubic symphysis. Pubic symphysis present in a pelvic girdle lower part. These made from a fibrous cartilage. Structure, look at the figure. Perichondrium is absent. There is no outer side perichondrium is present. The matrix present with the bundle of collagen fiber. The quantity of collagen fiber are also called as white fiber are large in number. Many bunch of white fiber are present in this tissue. Few number of chondrocytes are present scattered in white fibers. These are most rigid cartilage. These are strongest with the compare of hyaline and elastic cartilage. Lacuna present inside the chondrocytes. The quantity of white fiber is large, hence this cartilage make a stronger. and heart. Functions: it maintains position of vertebrae. These are helpful for continuous position of vertebrae. The next and last type of cartilage, calcified cartilage. This type of cartilage becomes rigid due to deposition of salts in the matrix. This reduces flexibility of joints in old age. Example, head and long bones. Calcified cartilage found in only old age condition. Because old age condition, more quantity of deposition of salt and the bones become porous. Density of bones is less. In this condition, the bones become porous and the chances of fracture this bone is present. These are last topic of cartilage. Calcified cartilage with the compare of hyaline, fibrocartilage, elastic cartilage, but these are hardest type of cartilage. Old age condition, more quantity of this joint found in a head of long bones. Many old age people are fracture head of long bones because due to the old age condition depositions of large quantity of salts. These deposited salts are become bones pores and the chances of fracture these bones increases. Hence, old age people have fracture the heads of long bones. There is no specific figure of calcified cartilage. The structure of calcified cartilage is separate in old age condition bones. There is no studied structure in detail of calcified cartilage in the animal tissue 11 syllabus. For your knowledge, you search many images of calcified cartilage with the help of Google. But in 11th Science Biology, second part, Study of Animal Tissue chapter, calcified cartilage is a sufficient information of this part for you in academic year. We are completed. What is cartilage? Cartilage 4 type: hyaline, elastic, fibrocartilage, calcified cartilage. Then our part is connective tissue. Connective tissue divided into connective tissue proper, supporting connective tissue and fluid connective tissue. Then B, supporting connective tissue. We are completed part of cartilage and there are 4 types. Next topic is a bone. Bone is a hardest tissue of body. Hard matrix of ocean. Ocean is made up of a mineral salt called hydroxyapatite is a chemical name of bone. Calcium, potassium and hydroxy element are present inside the bone. The outer covering of bone is called as a peritoneum. Is outer tough membrane, it encloses in the matrix. Through periosteum, blood vessels and nerves enter. Periosteum is the outer covering. Inside this periosteum, vessels and nerve are entered. Concentric layer lamellae are present, which arranged of matrix. Fluid filled cavity is called lacuna present in each lamella. Canaliculi are fine canals that radiate from each lacuna. Canaliculi are fine canals that radiate from each lacuna. Canaliculi of adjacent lamella are in connection with each other. Osteoblast active bone cells, osteocytes inactive bone cells, and osteoclasts are large multinucleate bone cells which absorb bone tissue during growth and healing, present in lacuna. Haversian system present in mammalian bone which are encloses an artery, vein and nerves. According to presence of matrix, there are two types of bones present in human body: spongy bone and compact bone. Spongy bone matrix are arranged in the form of trabeculae, present bone marrow, absent Haversian system. The shape of bones as a like web trabeculae are present in the arrangement of bones. This bone is called as a spongy bone. Also present bone marrow and absent Haversian system in the spongy bone. Compact bone. In the matrix show, Haversian system does not have any space in the matrix between lamellae are called as a compact bone. The connective tissue, second part of supporting connective tissue, cartilage and bone. Cartilage is softer than another tissue except bone. Bone is a harder part of tissue. In detail, we are studying bone, their types, spongy bone and compact bone. Next lecture, we are study in detail with figure and description of bone. Thank you.